Tax rates are like heart rates, but instead of beats per minute, cents per $100.
The property tax rate is a tax rate levied for every $100 worth of valuation of your home.
The state of Texas provides tax rate parameters, while the Midland Central Appraisal District provides valuations of property.
The first thing MCAD calculates for us is they tell us a no new revenue rate and a voter approval rate. The no new revenue rate is a rate by which we get the same dollars we got last year. So we get no new revenue. And then we're only allowed to go 3.5% above that rate.
Christy Weekland is the Director of Finance for the City of Midland, a city that has just one entity that benefits.
And the taxing entities for Midland are the county, the hospital district, the Midland College, the city, and of course MISD. And the MCAD then distributes those funds out to those different entities.
Anyone with property within the city limits will pay to those entities.
MCAD sends the valuations and calculations of the rates to each taxing entity, and then based on certain parameters given by the state, the councils of those entities then determine it, or the governing bodies of those entities determine what tax rate will be set.
So while taxes are taxing, it will be healthy to not let them impact your heart rate.
We try to be as frugal as we can with our budget, but also keep up with the maintenance needs of the city, and then the tax rate's supposed to be set according to the needs of the budget.
Clint told me that property taxes are 1/3 of how they can provide services to Midland. She also mentioned in our conversation that while valuations are going up, the highest the city can raise the tax rate from the no new revenue rate will still keep the property tax rate this year lower than last year.